So here's how to find out all your comments on Facebook. It's quite simple and easy thing to do. So first open up the Facebook, then you need to go to the three dots on the right upper side and then simply tap on this gear icon, which is the settings. Alright, then you need to scroll it down until you find the activity log. So here is the activity log, then tap on the activity log and then you will find under the your Facebook activity option a little arrow icon. All right, so you need to tap on this little arrow icon and then this will open up, which is like comments and reaction. So you need to tap again on the little icon right over it, and then from here you will see the comments option. So tap on the comments and there you have it. So there are lots of comments that I do recently or previously that is being stored here by the dates. All right, so it's quite simple to find out, and you can also delete all these comments by at once by tapping on this all icon and then simply tap on the remove button to delete all these comments. All right, so that's how you can simply do it. It's quite simple and I think you get it. All right, so hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.